Hey guys, so I am super bored. It's a Friday night and just wanted to make a short video. Maybe it would help some of you guys out that have Honda CRF250Ls. I want to just highlight this product that I've used, and you can probably tell by how many subscribers I use that I'm not sponsored by Seal Doctor or Risk. But I wanted to just show you this product. If you're having any leaky seals on your Honda products, Honda bikes tend to have leaky seals, and I'm not sure why that is. I guess they use cheap seals or something, but I had some leaky seals recently, and I bought this product. And super easy to use. You can see it's just a little plastic deal that's perfectly formed to the specifications of your fork size. You go ahead and go to Seal Doctor, riskracing.com, and then go to their Seal Doctor page. You'll get this guy, and they have some helpful videos here. And basically there's two steps. You take the oil dust seal off of your fork, and you slide this guy up into there until it hits the plastic perforated edges that they have, so you can't push it too far up, which is really great. The Seal Buddy, on the other hand, is like this long plastic deal that kind of gives you the ability to push this thing all the way up into there, and allows a lot more room for error, I feel like. The Seal Doctor goes up and it hits the perforated edge, so you can only go up so far. And I've used this product and it worked. So far it works. It pulled some grime out from underneath the fork seals here and stopped the leak. So I used this product. I refilled the fork oil in the top of the fork cap plug, and I replenished the fork oil from what leaked out, from what I could assume leaked out. It's hard to calculate that or know how much more to pour in without draining the entire fork oil reservoir and then pouring the subscribed amount back in. I just kind of guesstimated how much leaked out and poured some more in, and seemed to be working fine. I did a ride, and like I said, they got some good videos here. It comes with a little holder so that you can clip this back on and then throw it in your toolbox or whatever, and it's not going to get banged up or bent out of shape. And it's a really great product. It's worth the money because you're going to save a lot by just using this product and not bringing the bike into a shop where they're going to replace all the seals. You can salvage your existing seals by using this product, and then just kind of clearing out that gunk that's stuck underneath it, that gets trapped underneath, and then creates an imperfect seal where there's going to be some leakage occurring. So yeah, if you guys have some leaky seals, go ahead and use this product. Save your seals. You may be able to use it a few times before having to replace the seals altogether. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.